To redeem gift card on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I will simply show you how you can redeem gift cards on iPhone, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now it also really depends upon what kind of gift card that you are trying to redeem. Now in this case I'm just going to redeem an iTunes or App Store gift card to an iPhone. So well, in that case I would just have to open the App Store on my phone and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll be able to find the option called redeem gift card or code. So you just need to tap on that option. As you tap on redeem gift card or code over here, on the next specific page select use camera to use your iPhone's camera to scan a gift card barcode, or tap you can also enter your code manually and then type the code into that taskbar. So make sure all of the digits are also correct, by the way. And as you've done that, you're all set to shop and purchase as you wish in the App Store or other Apple apps, and this is all it takes to redeem gift cards on iPhone. But as I said earlier, it also really depends upon what kind of gift cards you're trying to redeem. Not all of the gift cards goes into iOS App Store. If it's an application gift card, you have to redeem it through the application as well. Hope this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.